This Brightline construction update looks at the status of the St. Lucie River Drawbridge and the upcoming plans for rehabilitation later in the spring of 2023. The St. Lucie River Drawbridge is located in Stuart, Florida. When service begins, the St. Lucie River Drawbridge will be the only single-track segment on the Florida East Coast Railway corridor that Brightline will use. This bridge has always been single-track, even when historically the FEC had previously been double-tracked. Long-term plans call for an entirely new double-track bridge here, but for the time being, Brightline is investing in upgrades on the existing bridge to help improve its reliability and speed. Work began here in late 2022, as crews from Koppers began the process of replacing the ties on the bridge. They also began to install walkways and handrails on it, which the bridge had previously never had. To support this, extended length ties were installed periodically along the length of the bridge. Part of the new operational plan here is to have a bridge monitor on site to help coordinate the waterway and monitor the bridge. In order for that to happen, a new bridge monitor house is currently in the process of being installed, which you can see here. Brightline also plans to install new countdown clocks of the bridge and will also release an app providing real-time information on when the bridge will be opening and closing for mariners. The outage work that will affect the channel and boaters will begin on April 16th. The mechanical aspects of the bridge will be the primary focus, along with other aspects that cannot be worked on while the bridge is in operation. Crews will work to replace the existing mechanical components, install new wiring and electronics, and will also machine the trunnions, which are the axles the bridge rotates on. They will also replace the ties on the bascule span itself, which requires the bridge to be rebalanced based on the increased weight of the new ties. Scott Bridge Company, which is the primary contractor for the work here, has already begun working on the bridge in ways that don't affect operations, such as installing the new bridge monitor house, and beginning preparations for the outage itself so that can be completed as quickly as possible. Work will be ongoing 24/7 during the outage. Here's a closer look at the new walkway and ties on the northern side of the bridge. The tracks will return to double track at control points a short distance away on either side of the bridge, like here at the future CP Roosevelt on the north side. As of the release of this video on February 23rd, 2023, This is the current planned schedule for the outage. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.